Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 21st of April 2024 and I'm going to be going over my results for week 17's testing for the SPY strategy. So if I move this here, this will become a little bit more clear. So we can see on the 15th we had a buy signal. This week was just a series of losses. The first day we had a loss of, in a raw amount, $22,395, which is a 2% loss. Which bring our portfolio alpha down to 0.118%. Then on the next day, we had another loss of 0.281%, bringing our alpha down to 0.02%. Next, we had a buy signal again, where we had a loss of 1.086%, and that brought our cumulative portfolio return to 4.601%, and our alpha into the negatives again at 0.474%, negative 0.474%. On the 18th, we had, another buy signal, which gave us a loss again of 0.491%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return down to 4.11% and our alpha down to minus 0.759%. And finally, on the 19th, we had a sell signal where we finally made some profit of 0.853%, bringing our alpha up to positive 0.967%. So thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.